Good morning, fifth graders. Here is your schedule for today. Our Zoom is kind of an open Zoom. So if you have any questions or need to talk to me for any reason in the morning or in the afternoon, the Zoom link will be open from 10 to 11 and again from 1:30 to 2:30. So I'm just going to leave it open and you can drop in whenever you need to during those hours. You don't have to, but it would be a good idea if you have any questions because I will be there. For the story Peak, I'd like you to read pages 26 through 40. And there's a chart that says A to Z chart of climbing. I'd like you to use this as a way to keep some fun words about climbing. So I linked a resource about climbing Mount Everest and the things you might need, and you can define them in the box and write them in bold. So it's, the chart, it's kind of says A to Z, right? And it has all those squares. So you're going to put a vocabulary or any word about climbing in there and define it. Then I'd like you to post the answers to the comprehension questions 1 through 25 on your Google site. You have a video about adjective orders, pretty catchy, and then the one about prepositions is even better, but this one is pretty catchy. And then you're going to work on this adjective order worksheet that is going to be pushed out in Google Classroom. For you to do. Okay? And then I want you to turn it in today. Unit 10, lesson 11 and 12, your 2 videos. Then your murder mystery that you did yesterday, the coordinate graphing, I'd like you to post your answer. You can just put the name of who you think did it and just post that. And under math, social studies, finished week 26 from yesterday. And then here is lesson 1 in mystery science. You're going to use your packet of work. And then I also wrote, oh, interesting. Came out blank. Well, the other part of your lesson, that's funny. The other part of your lesson that will be attached is it's going to be a list of resources. Okay, we'll be here for science. Hold on, let me just grab what those resources are. Okay, the resources are, hold on, my computer's not loading, there it is. Okay, it's a measuring cup, some measuring spoons, a plastic container, some salt, steel nails, which is what Gianna's dad brought you, white vinegar, and some pennies. So those are some things that you need. Then you also need to work on your opinion piece, and then turn in through Google Classroom. And remember, this is due Thursday. Okay, there's a music link, and then your Earth Day art and cross stitch will be on there, but that's the same from yesterday. So sorry the second sheet did not print in my printer, but hopefully this all makes sense. Okay.